Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going over how to create a ClickFunnels or sales funnel for real estate agents. Some of you guys know that I'm a real estate agent myself, so we're gonna create a sales funnel for myself, and you guys are gonna watch over my shoulder how I'm gonna do that. Now, before I start going into the sales funnel and how to create it, um, it's best if you guys get ClickFunnels. I'll leave a link in the description. Get ClickFunnels, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you this funnel that we're gonna create today together. Okay, once you come to ClickFunnels, this will be empty right here. You're gonna click on Add New, and then you're gonna start a cookbook, or you're gonna create a funnel from scratch. Okay, I started a cookbook with this. Clicked on this one right here, and I chose a professional service, and I did an application funnel. So basically, I'm gonna have my people fill out an application in order to work with me. Okay, so after you click on it, it's going to be downloaded to your dashboard like so, and then you're going to be able to edit it. Notice we have the application page, the reverse squeeze page first, and then we have the application page right here, and then the thank you page. So it's 3 pages, 3 steps, and simply you can go here and we're going to edit it. Okay, so I've already went ahead and edited some stuff. You're not gonna see this. You're gonna change this to how you want it to be, your own ad copy or your own sales copy right here. And you're also gonna get your own picture, your own name, and right here you're probably gonna put something like, hey, introducing yourself. My name is Yousif Alias. I'm a real estate agent. This is what makes me special. This is the benefits I provide for my buyers. And I've also put a home buyer checklist for all my buyers and a list of homes under 500K in the San Diego area. And I tell them to click the link below. And once they click, they're going to get a pop-up like this. This is going to be your picture. You can come here and you can simply change your picture like so. You can just put this for now. Oh, that's a big one. That's a tall picture. So what we want to do is we're gonna upload something. So while this is uploading, guys, if you're seeing all these pictures and local biz marketer, this is a new course that I've launched and a lot of people are loving it. So if you want to go ahead and check that course out, it's at localbizmarketer.co/order. So you can check out the course, and it's only $7, okay? And it can grow your real estate business like crazy, especially your website. But this is not a website. This is a lead generation funnel. This has one purpose, and it's to get you leads, to get you return on investment. Okay, so I'm gonna say a realtor, and then you just later on make sure you just comply with the real estate advertising rules, like for example, right here you put your DRE number and whatnot and all that good stuff. Now they're gonna put their email here, and they're gonna go to the next step, and the next step is the application. Say for whatever reason they don't fill out the application. You can always follow up with them, and you can always make sure that they're interested in buying or selling a house. Now, well, this one is for buying a house. So when you're targeting for leads, you want to be specific. You either want buyers or you either want sellers. I recommend making separate landing pages with ClickFunnels, one for buyers and one for sellers, and make variations of each page and test out which one works better. And I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about in a second, on how to create variations and split test two pages and find out which one works better. Now, right here, you can add another field, and then you can ask for their phone number. Okay? A lot of agents like to do that because they want to contact via phone number. All right? And then I'm going to add another one, which is going to be another input. I'm going to move all the way to the top. And to get more opt-in rate, we're going to do optional on this one. Okay? And I think we have to do it on settings as well. I'm sorry, you guys. My internet is acting up because I'm recording. I'm doing a lot of stuff in the background. I have softwares running in. Okay, so it's not required. We're going to go to the first one. You're going to change the headlines. You can always change the text right here, just like that. And then we're ready. We have a sign-up page. And another thing you want to do before you leave this page is you want to connect it to an email autoresponder. And then in this case, we're going to connect it to Aweber here. Okay, we're going to connect to Aweber first. And then what we want to do is we want to connect it to Lead Owl. Okay, this is a CRM that will remind you to follow up with your leads. It will remind you to that you got leads going on, and it works for me, it works for my clients, and I recommend you connecting your funnel to this. Okay, and I'm also going to leave a link for it. You can try it out for I think it's like 14 days trial. Same thing with ClickFunnels. I'm going to leave a link in the bottom so you can check it out, and then you can make sure you always save the funnel, and you go back and then you edit the application page, and then you get whatever you want in the application page. You can ask them if they're looking for a realtor. You can ask them how many bedrooms they need. You can ask them how many whatever. And then in the thank you page, you can give them what you promised them. You can give them the guide, the checklist, or whatever you promised them in the first page, and send them to go see properties on your website. And if your website is optimized enough to get leads and generate more sales, then it will be great. Okay. I hope this was helpful. I have all the links down below to download this stuff. Create a landing page for your business. A website does not work anymore. It's just a fancy brochure. Okay. Until next video, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.